Electrical Code Article 300.22 states that electrical conductors must be installed in a raceway, such as conduit or non-metallic cable tray, unless they are specifically permitted to be run exposed. Concealed wiring, according to NEC Article 334, must be installed in approved raceways or as permitted by the NEC. Furthermore, NEC Article 410.8 dictates that non-metallic sheet cables, such as Romex, must be installed within a chase, which is a recessed channel in a wall cavity, or a protective raceway. It's also important to consider voltage, as NEC Article 300.3b specifies that the voltage of conductors must be within the ampacity limits of the raceway or enclosure. In your specific case, based on your description, running the cables behind the wall in chases would be compliant with the NEC. To ensure compliance, here are the steps to follow. Firstly, determine the voltage of the cables. Confirm that the voltage of the cables, both power and HDMI or AV, is within the ampacity limits of the raceway or chase you will be using. Secondly, create chases. Cut 2 chases in the wall, one behind the television and one further down for the outlet. Ensure the chases are wide enough to accommodate the cables and any necessary connectors. Thirdly, install cables and chases. Run the cables through the chases, securing them with cable staples or clips. Fourthly, seal openings. Use non-combustible sealant to seal the openings around the chases where the cables enter and exit the wall. There are some additional considerations to keep in mind. Accessibility is important. Ensure that the access holes behind the television and down the wall are large enough to allow for future maintenance or repairs. When cutting the chases, take care not to damage any wall studs or electrical wiring. For fire safety, use fire-rated sealant around the chases and ensure that the cables are not in contact with any flammable materials. It's worth reiterating the importance of adhering to these guidelines to ensure a safe and code-compliant installation. The NEC provides the framework for safe electrical practices, and it's crucial to follow its directives.